If only I could just get good people, my business would fly. Have you ever heard yourself say that? If you have, you need to watch this video because I'm going to give you 3 simple strategies you can employ to make sure you recruit the best staff every time. So, getting good people is really simple. There's a few fundamentals that you need to take into account. The first one is really straightforward. Good people want to work for good companies. They don't want to work for average or bad companies. So make sure you are doing the things that a good company will do for their employees. That means probably decent pay, it probably means decent holiday entitlement, and it probably means some nice soft spuffy puff around the edges in terms of the way we care and we look after and we make sure that our staff are comfortable. If we make life uncomfortable for them and we try and buy them as cheaply as possible, of course we're not going to attract the best people. So step 1, be a good business. Step 2 is around how you recruit. Hire slow, fire fast. What most of us do as business owners is think, I'm too busy, I need someone. Can you do it? Yes, you're employed. Problem is, when we recruit that way, we're recruiting anybody, or worse, we're just employing people we like rather than people who can do the job. Take your time, have a very thorough recruitment process, telephone interviews, face-to-face interviews, skills tests. Hire slowly, no matter how desperate you are, because the cost of a bad employee is far worse than the cost of having no employee. And step 3, reward your staff and make it fun. Good people want to work somewhere where they feel they can develop, where they enjoy coming to work, and where they're feeling they're getting rewarded for their efforts. If you don't do those 3 things, even if you attract good people, you will not keep them. So there you go. That's my simple 3-step formula for getting and keeping great staff. That's Gary Maskell, attracting amazing people.